Now we are at the unit, so let's go have a look inside. First, we will gonna step into a master bedroom. Right here, we have a ceiling fans, also an AC over there. If you want to save money, you can just put the fan, turn on the fan. Alright, so we have a closet over here that's connecting to the wall, so it's providing more space in the room. And next to it we have a bathroom, so come and have a look. This bathroom it's really big. It's bigger than the one outside and the one on the rooftop. Have a standing shower. And if you love big mirrors, would be the best here. Alright, now let's go check the second bedroom. Yeah, so if you have kids, you have big family, would be the best for you. We have a kid bedroom over here, but this bedroom have bathroom outside, but have a closet that connecting to the wall also. So this is like a really good wood. Okay, now let's go check the bathroom. Now let's go check another bedroom on the rooftop. Yes. Yeah, the room on the rooftop is my favorite one because you have your own space. Imagine you have guests or you have adult children that want to have their own space. So upstairs would be best for your choice. Okay, now let's go. Alright, so up here on my left is the bathroom, the shower room. So on the rooftop they separated the shower. Okay. Now right here is the toilet. Yes. Guests can also use if you have a party up here. There's a sink over here. Alright, so this is the best part, so let's go have a look inside. Like I said, if you prefer, this one can also put like as an office room, also you can convert it to the office room as well. We have a closet, we have a bed over here, a mirror. Yeah, so it's perfect. Yes, perfect. And if you have a party out here, you have a guest, can stay here. It's very nice. Now let's go check at the rooftop balcony. All right, rooftop. So rooftop, you have a table, and you have the most amazing views. Hello, so after we check out the bedroom, now we are at the kitchen and at the living room. So now let's go have a look with me. We have a refrigerator right here in a hidden spot. We have a stove, big stove also. So we have ventilation. If you cook a lot, don't worry about the smell, it will go away real quick. And over there we have a dining table. So AC also provided. AC provided in the living room. It's a really nice living room right here. We have a big screen TV over here. You can see things very clear, very nice. If you like to stay in the house or you work from home, having a big TV, which really helpful. So yes, now let's check the balcony. So the balcony, it's long. As now we are outside at the balcony, you can see there's a lots of trees on the back, and the pool down here. And in the future, I think there are gonna be more tree around. And if you want to live here and you love nature, this is gonna be the good one. Yes. All right, now we continue to see the kids swimming pool. Here we have two pools, so one big right here, and the other one is I'm gonna show you now. So let's go have a look. A restaurant here that we do some events sometime. It's very big, and that unit over here, it's available for sale. Basically they don't have it anymore, it's all sold out, but this one they converted to from office to the duplex. So yes, so it's really nice. Go and check the pool. So this one is the kid pool. The kid pool is really nice. If you have kids on the weekends or after school, we can, come and play around here. We are now at the steam and saunas room. Yes, it's so in the morning it's not a lot, not a lot of people, so you can see every corners of it. And in here we have a locker room. Put all your stuff before you get inside. It's mirror, toilet. There's a few reasons why you should buy Grace. Is that it's nature's. You can buy it, you can rent it back to the developers. For the first 5 years you will get 7%. And the next 5 years you will get 8% back from the developers. And after 10 years you can live by yourself, or if you decided to continue the lease, you can also talk. For me, also like for living, it's really nice. You get all the nature surrounding you, and they have the receptionist that stand by 24 hours. If you need any help, you need anything, you can always ask. That's it for me, and I hope everyone have a good day. And if you're interested to buy this property, please contact me.